Hi, and welcome to another edition of the weekly market outlook report for the week starting Monday, the 8th of June. We have a busy week ahead of us, which starts with China trade balance and also Japanese GDP for Q1 data on Monday. On Tuesday, we should be on the lookout for Eurozone GDP figures. Going forward, China and US consumer price index for May, in addition to the weekly crude oil inventories and also Fed interest rate decision and FOMC press conference, will be closely watched on Wednesday. On Thursday, the main economic data release is reserved for US jobless claims data. The week will finish on Friday with UK manufacturing, industrial production and GDP figures for April. Also, US Michigan consumer sentiment is due. Now, let's take a look at few markets. This is the intraday 4-hourly price chart for a Bitcoin, and we can see the Bitcoin is uptrending quite nicely. But it's capped by 10,000, so we have this fairly significant selling pressure here around 10,000, attempt to break out and subsequent return. The price is supported by this rising trend line, so bulls are still in charge as long as the price stays above that rising trend line, and the price is currently supported by multiple moving averages as well. That breakout above 10,000 and subsequent return is basically seen as a breakout above the previous resistance, which is now referred to as a significant support to the downside. So key trading level going forward is around 9,300, 9,250, this zone here. As long as that level holds support and we see a gradual move higher, and in particular breakout above 10,000, which is a psychologically important resistance, that could open the way for an extension to the upside, continuation of this uptrending market, targeting 10,380, 10,720, possibly even 11,000 on the upside. Alternatively, if we see a dip lower and an end of day close below 9,240, a retest of that level from underneath as a newly found resistance, and a gradual pullback lower, therefore corrective move, that could potentially target 9,000, cluster of these previous lows, and also close to the 200 period moving average in 4-hourly time frame. And below that level we have 8,760, 8,500 to the downside.